Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2019 Vauxhall Vivaro in white. This one here is the long wheelbase model, and it is 30,000 miles on the clock as well. So I'm now just taking you around the vehicle and I'll show you into the passenger seat. You can see that the seats are, there's three of them. First of all, they are part leather. And of course, if we go over here, we do indeed have an armrest for the driver as well. Now, if I just bring you in to the back of the van as well, you can see from the side, it is rather generous, the size you get for the size of the van. Here we are. Bring you back here. And as I walk you round to the other side as well, and to the back, sorry, I can show you that inside we do indeed have interior lighting, cargo rings so you can tie down a load you may be carrying, supply lines, and also there are minimal dent scratches in the bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this did of course use a light load as well. So I've just shut this up as well, and with this Vauxhall Vivaro you do get doors on both sides as well. As you can see, look, we see straight through there into the side as well. Now if I just get you into the driver's seat as well, I will show you some of the conveniences inside the vehicle. Let me just close up that door there. Okay, so inside we do of course have cruise control, control for phone usage and volume / radio / audio, etc. down there as well. Of course we do have air conditioning, radio, which I'll turn just down for you for a sec. We also have, if you pop it into reverse, we do have parking sensors as well.